Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman. Today I just got my hands yesterday when I was arranging the prayer room. I found this beautiful book, Sundar Kand, Shri Hanuman Chalisa, and then iske baad mein they have beautiful Bajrang Band वगैरह also. So just a reminder that हमें सुंदर कांड पढ़नी चाहिए. It is very beautiful. हम कर चुके हैं, but once in a week or once in a month, we should put it on, if not regularly, and listen to it because there is a lot of teaching in it. The other day, I was sitting in Kirit Bhaiji's Katha. It is very beautiful to listen to people and gurus and seekers narrate because there's so much you can learn, you know. एंड जब हम बोल रहे होते हैं तब हम कुछ सीख रहे नहीं होते शायद, पर जब हम सुन रहे होते हैं वी आर सो ब्लेस्ड, वी गेट टू लिसन एंड लर्न टू न्यू थिंग्स. एंड व्हाइल सिटिंग इन द कथा, द ब्यूटिफुल थिंग दैट ही सेड इज कि द आसन, द व्यास आसन, जहाँ पे whenever a katha is going on, an asan is taken, and the asan belongs to Shukdev ji, right? He narrated the Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran, and he came from nowhere. There were great sages sitting there. मतलब अगस्त्य मुनि थे, वेद व्यास जी थे जिनने खुद ने लिखी थी, उनके पिताजी भी थे. So many, विश्वामित्र, Guru Vashish, name the gurus and they were there. But to give moksha to Raja Parikshit, none of them had the courage to take the asan. They said कि you want moksha in 7 days. हम नहीं दे पाएंगे, 7 दिन में हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. We are not eligible. So out of nowhere came Shukdev ji. He took the asan, did the katha, पूरी श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण सुनाई, और जैसे आए थे पता नहीं कहाँ से वैसे ही वो चले गए. राइट. सो दिस वेद आसन जो कहते हैं ना, कथावाचका का जो आसन होता है, उनका जो अधिकार तो उसमें शुकदेव जी का है. इट इज अ ब्लेसिंग दैट ही इज लेटिंग so many people and gurus actually narrate and giving them the opportunity to talk about the Lord and sing His glory and narrate His stories. So what is the main objective of this asan? And the beauty is, 2 things are the most important. One thing is the most important. First thing, moksha pradata, right? Because Raja Parikshit bhi, what was his objective? To get moksha. And whether we like it or not, whether we know it or not, whether we accept it or not, because right now our life is very beautiful. There is no, there is nothing that is missing in our life. No big things that are missing. So हमें लगता है कि मोक्ष क्यों चाहिए, जीवन तो बहुत अच्छा है. But we do not know how our next birth is going to be, how the birth after is going to be. Keep your eyes peeled and open when you're walking around the streets. Keep your ears open. Read the newspaper. Look at the pavements, especially in India when we can do it. हमें कभी कभी मन में ख्याल आना चाहिए कि ऐसा क्या किया जो ऐसा जन्म हुआ, राइट? एंड फिर कहीं ना कहीं, ये तो सनातन धर्म भय सिखाता नहीं है, पर स्वतः ही हमारे मन में this fear might come in कि I do not want a birth like that. Probably I do not want a rebirth again, right? So then the asan, the kathas provide the ability, they have the ability to give you moksha. पर कई बार क्या होता है, मोक्ष इतनी जल्दी नहीं मिलता है. So what is the second objective of listening to the stories and of narrating the stories of the Lord? It is to become a better me. It is said that, and we'll see now when we are talking about Kumbhakaran, Ravan and Vibhishan, as we journey, as the soul journeys, there are some sticky substances that just don't let the soul journey alone. They are our vasanas, our vrittis, our sanskars, जो हमारे साथ जाते हैं the minute we take another body, no matter which species we take that body in it, the sanskars, the vrittis, the vasanas, they stick on. And that is how our behavior is going to be. So if moksha is not happening, it's okay. At least let those vasanas and vrittis which are negative get eliminated and reduced, so that when we take the next birth, the hindrance towards moksha is a little less. So, in simple terms, listening to the katha of the Lord to make us a better us. Not accomplishments, ठीक है, see, whether we like it or not, when you walk on the path, the grace follows and the glory flow follows, you know. कुछ भी हो, प्रसन्नता रहेगी ही मन में, आपको बिना मांगे मिलेगा. But that is not the objective, as we said last class, right? We are not beggars, we are seekers. Right? There is a difference between being a beggar and a seeker. We have to decide what we are. Mostly, आजकल हमने याचकों का धर्म बना दिया है, पर हमारा धर्म है दाताओं का धर्म. So, the objective is to eliminate the vices, right? To glorify or to bring forth the virtues. And मोक्ष के लिए तो ना वासना में ना नेगेटिव ना पॉजिटिव दोनों ही नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? When you reach an avastha of shunya, where there is no good or bad, it is just existence for the sake of it. You are. That is the journey. But till then, let's eliminate the bad, retain the good, so that when we take the next birth, our vasanas and our vrittis are good and not negative. Right? Because कुछ भी हो जाए, जैसे हमारा पुण्य हमारे साथ चलता है, हमारी वासनाएं, हमारे संस्कार, हमारी वृत्तियां भी हमारे साथ ही चलती हैं. They do not get dissolved. So, with this thought, we should sit in any session where we are listening to the name of the God, right? Be it of the great gurus or be it of simple seekers like me, right? So, it was very beautiful, and it's, it is like it just stuck to me, and so I thought I'll share it. Now, in Ramcharitramanas, we are in Lanka Kand. मतलब समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. I can't believe that we have been able to finish so much and only so little is left. कहते हैं ना, बूंद 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 करके घड़ा भर ही जाता है. It is just patience and steadily moving forward and we were never in a hurry to move forward. धीरे 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 हम आगे बढ़ते गए, because it is the assimilation, right? It is the assimilation of the कांड, not the elimination ki one by one एक कांड eliminate करते जाओ और आगे बढ़ते जाओ. So that was never the objective. And now we have reached a point where most of Ravan's army is destroyed. Hopefully हमारे भी काफी विकार शिन हो चुके हों, खत्म हो चुके हों. I do not know. We ourselves are the best judge कि हमने कितने विकार खोए हैं. पर रावण ने बहुत सारे योद्धा खो दिए हैं. मतलब he is in such a situation that he realizes that nobody is left. All the great warriors, and he names them to his brother when he goes to wake him up. He realizes that I'm alone now. It's me and Meghnad and Orkon. And so, in desperation, what does Ravan do is, he goes to Kumbhakaran. Now, who is Kumbhakaran? We all know, right? हम कहते हैं ना कि कुंभकर्ण जैसे सोते रहोगे या फिर कुंभकर्ण जैसे खाते ही रहोगे क्या, गिव योर सेल्फ अ ब्रेक एंड वेक अप. निद्रा में पूरा जीवन निकल जाएगा, तुम कुंभकर्ण हो क्या? वैसे तो निद्रा में सारा जीवन निकल ही रहा है, राइट? कहते हैं ना, हम बहुत कम जागते हैं और हम सोते हैं, और कई बार तो हम जागते हुए भी सोते हैं. तो कुंभकर्ण तो सोता ही सोता था. एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ दीज 3 brothers which we should actually look from a very different perspective also. एक था रावण, एक था कुंभकर्ण और एक था विभीषण. And many people say that in Valmiki Ramayana it is mentioned that Kumbhakarna was created, right? हो भी सकता है. If the technology is so developed right now where we are talking about these robots and everything, he could have been a humanoid also. We do not know, because the description of Kumbhakarna is massive. He is as big as a mountain or bigger, right? He is huge. So it is said that Ravan's father had actually created Kumbhakarna. We do not know. Right now the assumption is that he was born, okay? But even if he was created, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Now these 3 brothers sat into tapasya, and they all had the power to do extreme penance. पर वर तीनों ने अलग अलग मांग ली, right? We know what Ravan asked for. We know what Vibhishan asked for, right? But What Kumbhakaran asked for was becoming fearless. Totally निर्भय होना था उनको. But the entire God community, it realized कि अगर ये जगा रहा और निर्भय हो गया तो ये सारी सृष्टि खा जाएगा. This is the appetite he has. He is dangerous to beyond a point. So they requested Ma Saraswati to sit on his tongue, and instead of nidra nirbhayatvam, he asked for nidra vratam. This is what they say. So then he got nidra. Now Ravan said, अरे भाई पूरे समय सोएगा तो उठेगा खाएगा कैसे? It is not right, he's just lying like a vegetable. So at least let him wake up for a while. Some say he used to sleep for 6 months and stay awake for 6 months. Some say that he used to stay awake, sleep for 6 months, get up for a day and then again sleep. Whatever be it, he spent more than half his life sleeping. And when he was awake, like all of us, what he would do is eat, drink and be merry. खाओ पियो मस्त रहो, बाकी समय सो जाओ. हमारा जीवन भी तो ऐसे ही व्यतीत हो रहा है ना. तो फिर सोचने वाली बात है कि हम में और कुंभकर्ण में क्या फर्क है. हाँ, एक फर्क है, कुंभकर्ण बड़े ज्ञानी थे, है ना. That is what we'll realize. He was a very pious soul. He was an elevated being. He knew that Ram avatar was the avatar of the divine. Now these three brothers, the environment is the same, everything is the same. How is it that they are so different? कभी आपने सोचा, in our families also, 2 brothers, siblings, 5 siblings, 6 siblings, पहले जमाने में 11 siblings हुआ करते थे, all different, very different in temperament, very different in behavior. Parents are the same, the environment provided is the same. Then what is different? It is the vasanas, vrittis and sanskars. इसीलिए as a parent, we have to be accepting of the fact that ये अपने संस्कार, अपनी जर्नी खुद तय करके आए, ये अपनी ब्लूप्रिंट खुद लिख के आए हैं. हमारा रोल बहुत कम है. Yes, we are the providers. We can facilitate things. जो हमारी समझ है उससे हम उन्हें बता सकते हैं. Based on my limited understanding, I can say this is what I think should be done in this situation. But for all you know, their understanding is far beyond ours. So should we impose? No. Should we force? No. We do not know the journey of that soul who has come through us. Again and again a reminder to us that our children are not ours. They have come on their journey. They have come through us. They are not ours. The environment which we are providing right now was the environment conducive for their evolution. Hence they chose this womb. खत्म. बाकी कुछ नहीं है. हम तो ऐसे बैठ जाते हैं ना, while joking sometimes, I really don't mean it, or maybe subconsciously I do. When my son says na, Mama, okay, I am going to my room, आप बाहर जाओ. मैंने बोला तू भी मेरा है, ये कमरा भी मेरा है और ये घर भी मेरा है. How can you ask me to leave? He can. Because everything that is there with him is what he had written in his blueprint, which is beneficial for his evolution in this journey of the soul. Right? And the sooner we understand, the better it is for us. So right now our focus is on the fact that these 3 brothers, so different in their temperament, so different in their journey. How? Because they are independent entities flowing through. जैसे होता है ना, the pieces of wood in a lake or a river. When there are multiple branches, because of the current, they just come together for a while. They walk together, and when the current takes them apart, they go apart again. Everybody we meet, even in our families, हम बोलते हैं ना, no, it's blood relation. सब है, वेग है, बस वो पानी का वेग है, उसमें अलग अलग ब्रांचेस हैं. आप मिले और जैसे ही वेग अलग ले जाएगा आप अलग हो जाएंगे. That's all. Everybody has their own journey. So these 3 brothers, be it Ravan, Kumbhakaran or Vibhishan, look at their temperaments, look at their behavior, look at their journey. Totally different. And this is a learning for all of us. And kabhi bhi, that is why it is said, for 2 children in the same family, the same rules cannot be applied. The same restrictions or the same likings should not be imposed. कई बार आई हैव सीन पेरेंट्स डूइंग इट. बहुत अच्छी बात है इफ इट वर्क्स कि इफ यू आर टेकिंग वन चाइल्ड फॉर स्विमिंग यू इंट्रोड्यूस स्विमिंग टू द अदर चाइल्ड ऑल्सो. ये भी करा है तुम भी कर लो, दोनों का साथ में हो जाएगा. ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हो आप? दोनों बच्चे अलग हैं. लुक एट द चाइल्ड एज एन इंडिविजुअल. डोंट लुक एट हिम एज ओके दिस इज लाइक बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू. एंड कई बार होता है आई एम गोइंग टू इम्पार्ट द नॉलेज. कुड ऋषि पुलस्त्य इम्पार्ट द नॉलेज टू रावण? ही कुड टू विभीषण, राइट? विभीषण तो बड़े भक्त बन गए. रावण को क्या हो गया और कुंभकर्ण को क्या हो गया? केशनी थी, राइट? शी वॉज अ राक्षसी. ओके, विल से द संस्कार ऑफ द मदर, बट देन व्हाट हैपेंड टू विभीषण? सोचिए. So this is something that we have to stop, think and ponder when we are reading our scriptures. We cannot just read through it like a story. हम KG1 KG2 में तो नहीं रहे ना. कहानी तो सबको पता है, राइट? पर इसमें रहस्य क्या है वो हमें निकालना है. द सीक्रेट्स एंड द ट्रेजर्स इन ईच स्क्रिप्चर हैव टू बी ब्रॉट आउट. सो नाउ in desperate need, he went and he wanted to wake Kumbhakarna up, which was not an easy task. उसके ऊपर से it is said that mammoths and lots of elephants, even if they would run through, it would just be like being, he is being itched a little and वो करवट बदल के सो जाएगा. So just imagine in this situation where the time for Kumbhakarna to wake up was not there, but he desperately needed help because nobody else but Meghnad was left. He realized कि हाँ Kumbhakarna है, ये मेरी मदद कर सकता है, इसको उठाओ. And it is dramatized in many of the series and the serials and the stories for the children. We will not dramatize it over here, but with great difficulty he was woken up. अब वो उठ गए तो सबसे पहले they kept food and all ready. He started eating. Once his appetite got satisfied a bit, Ravan came forth and he said, मुझे क्यों उठाया तुमने? It is not the time for me to get up yet. What was the urgency that you woke me up? Now, Ravan stood there and he said, see, this is what has happened. Now the entire journey of how he took away Sita and now what has happened, most of the army is gone, so many of his sons are lost. He's standing there and telling Kumbhakarna, and Kumbhakarna with his eyes open, wide, staring at Ravan, he said, Murak ke kya kiya? Right? He said, what have you done? So he says, on hearing the words of his 10-headed brother, Sunu the Skandar bachan tab, Kumbhakarna bil khana. He said, oh my God, what a folly, what an error. Jagdamba hari aan ab. तुम साक्षात जगदम्बा को उठा के ले आए. सच चाहत कल्याण कि अभी तो तुमने जगदम्बा, the mother of the universe you have captured, and now you want कल्याण. What nonsense, मूर्ख, सट. And he says कि अभी उठाया, से पहले उठा लेते. To take counsel, मैं बता देता कि ऐसे मत करो. Right? You have woken me up when the damage is almost done. Although he says कि अभी भी टाइम है, अभी भी it is not too late. He is करुणा निदान कृपा सिंधु, अभी भी जाके माँ को लौटा दो, everything will stop. I would give you that counsel, but still, why did you not wake me up? कई बार होता है ना कि when all the disaster has been done, we go for counsel. कि अब क्या करूं? अरे करने से पहले सोचा होता. See, we are in so much of a hurry in nowadays कि we act without thinking and then repent. So in a way it is saying थोड़ा सोच लिया होता ना. Between any action, let there be a distance run. एक बार बैठ जाओ, सोच लो and then get into that action. Over here he did not think. He did everything and now he's repenting. So Kumbhakarna is like, पहले ही आगे होते, I would have told you. Narad had told me that divine entity जो निराकार है वो साकार स्वरूप में, राम स्वरूप में आएगा, उससे मत लड़ना. पर तुमने तो मुझसे पूछा ही नहीं. पर कोई बात नहीं, अब क्या करें? And then he is wondering, he said, what do you think? You think he is a normal human? Now Ravan is again justifying कि वो he is a मनुष्य. Then he says, hey दस्सीस मनोज रघुनायक. वो बोल रहा है कि 10 माथे होते हुए भी अक्ल नहीं है तुम्हें. Just because we gather all the degrees in the world, that does not make us wise. विजडम तो अलग चीज है. विजडम इज नॉट डिटर्मिनेंट ऑन द डिग्रीज वी हैव. सो ओवर हियर ही सेइंग 10 माथा लेके बैठा है, बिल्कुल मूर्ख. ही सेइंग हे 10 शीस मनज रघुनायक. वो तुम्हें मनुष्य लगता है? जाके हनुमान से पायक. जिसका दूत, जिसका सेवक हनुमान है, वो मनुष्य कैसे हो सकता है भला? यूज योर विट, ही बर्न्ट योर एंटायर लंका, आई हैव हर्ड. वो मनुष्य है अभी भी, और हार्पिंग ऑन मनुष्य मनुष्य मनुष्य. तुम सोचो तो सही. एंड देन ही गोज ऑन, किनो प्रभु विरोध ते ही देवक. किससे विरोध करके बैठे हो? एंड वो बोल रहे हैं शिव विरंचिसुर जाके सेवक. शिव जी, ब्रह्मा जी, विष्णु जी जिसके सेवक हैं, उससे तुम विरोध कर रहे हो और बोल रहे हो कि जीत जाऊंगा. कैसे जीतोगे? प्रभु का विरोध नहीं किया जाता, पर तुम में समझ ही नहीं है. नाउ ही इज रिब्यूकिंग हिम, बट ही सेज डोंट वरी. जो कुछ भी है मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं. आफ्टर ऑल तुम मेरे भाई हो, मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं. क्या करना है मुझे? जाके लड़ना है? चलो मैं लड़ लेता हूं राम से. एंड ही सेज लड़ लेता हूं नहीं, द थॉट दैट अब मुझे राम के दर्शन हो जाएंगे. कभी कभी आई वंडर, मेनी पीपल कहते हैं ना, लालायत होते हैं कि आई जस्ट डेस्परेटली वांट द दर्शन ऑफ द लॉर्ड. बट देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ डिवोटीज हु डू नॉट इवन वांट दर्शन बिकॉज दे वंडर व्हाट इफ वी गेट दर्शन. फिर सो दे आर वेरी हैप्पी इन भक्ति ओनली. दे थिंक दर्शन भी नहीं चाहिए. द जर्नी ऑफ भक्ति इज सो ब्यूटिफुल that I want to continue on this journey without reaching the destination. ये भी एक निस्वार्थ भाव की हो गया ना, कि आप क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why are you walking this path? Why are you in devotion? Because I want moksha, because I want to purify my karma, because I want to see the Lord, because I want to know the secrets of this universe. What if you don't want anything? The ultimate bhakti is for the bhakti itself, right? इतना रस है भक्ति में कि उससे कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं. हमें प्रभु भी नहीं चाहिए. क्या पता हमारी भक्ति कम हो जाए. When you've already reached your goal ना, then you feel कि अब तो मिल गया ना, अब क्या? वो हमें उस गोल पे पहुंचना ही नहीं है. Endless bhakti. Most of these, they have never asked for God. If you've realized all through our journey of Ramayana, इतने सारे हमने सेशंस कर लिए, किसी ने भगवान भी नहीं मांगा, सबने भक्ति मांगी है. भगवान तो जबरदस्ती दर्शन देने आ जाते हैं, उसके बाद में भी वो बोलते प्रभु हमें भक्ति दे दो आप तो, है ना, in spite of the darshan. So over here he is saying, oh my God, now I am going to get darshan of that Prabhu जिसकी भक्ति में सब डूबे हुए. And while this thought is going on, Kumbhakaran was also very wise, very devout in his nature, right? ठीक है, आसुरी प्रवृत्ति थी. He was a mix, Vibhishan was very good. Ravan is said or pretended to be very bad. Kumbhakaran was in the middle, mediocre. And Ram Roop Gun Sumirat Magan Bhayo Chan Eka. Ek Shan ke liye. See, the discussion is going on. He is rebuking him. He is going to fight a battle against Ramji and his army. But for that one moment, that beautiful vision that he is going to get of Shri Ram overpowered him. वो भूल गया वो कहाँ था, वो भूल गया वो क्या करने जा रहा था. The only thing that remained was Shri Ram. कहते हैं ना, जैसे अर्जुन की आंख, अर्जुन जब वो बाण चलाता है तो उसको सिर्फ आंख दिखती है. And in the midst of everything, he forgot everything for that one moment. अगर ऐसा एक moment भी हमारे साथ आ जाए ना, where for that one moment we forget everything but the Lord. That's it. फिर तो मोक्ष होना ही था. Kumbhakaran was supposed to get moksha because for that one moment nothing else existed other than Ram. And for that moment he just was so blissful. And Ravan realized कि now तो ये तो समाधि में चला जाएगा, ये तो लड़ेगा कैसे जाके. So that very moment, and ये हमारे साथ हमेशा होता है, watch it, है ना. रावण मंगेयु कोटि घट, मंगायु कोटि गढ़, मद अरु महिष अनेक. And what he did is, he got a lot of wine, madira, liquor, खूब सारा consumption of this, he got jars and jars and jars of it, and lots of buffaloes. And he said, now you drink and eat, ताकि वो जो क्षण भर में वो हुआ था ना, for even a moment, द डिजायर टू बी विद द लॉर्ड वो खत्म हो जाए. एंड दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंस टू ऑल ऑफ अस. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे मन में मोमेंटरीली ये नहीं आता कि प्रभु एक सच, जगत सब मिथ्या. आता है, बट इमीडिएटली रावण है ना, he gives bombardments of this, all our senses start running here and there. आंखों को कुछ दिखा देता है, मुंह को कुछ चखा देता है, कानों को कुछ सुना देता है, पैर हमें जल्दी जल्दी इधर उधर ले जाते हैं कि चलो 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 आज ये है, मुख से हम लोग गॉसिप करने लग जाते हैं और वो क्षण लुप्त हो जाता है. This happens to all of us. Very few are able to stay alert and not indulge. Right? And Kumbhakaran drank and he got intoxicated, and now he did not even wait for the army. Chala durg taji sen na sanga, kuch nahi chahiye, because he was like, that suddenly he was so bewildered, that vision, that he was so clouded in his mind, and he just left mindlessly, blinded. How we are living our lives also, like mindlessly blinded. चले जा रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं पता नहीं. This is one of these gurus always quotes from this, no? Alice in the Wonderland. I am late. वो rabbit होता है ना, I am late for an important date. I am late for an important date. When stopped and asked कि what are you late for? पता नहीं, पर भाग रहे हैं. और बिफोर वी नो एवरीथिंग विल बी ओवर. मनुष्य जन्म गया, फिर भटको 84 लाख करो, और फिर कभी मिल गया मनुष्य जन्म तो बहुत अच्छा है ना. And then once he entered the battlefield, there was a blaze, this noise कि कुंभकर्ण आ गया. He is mighty, he is like who can ignore that mountain who is walking in front of you, it was the entire earth was shaking when he was walking, and the first person to go and touch his feet was Vibhishan. Vibhishan joined his hands, he touched his feet, and he was lifted by Kumbhakaran, right? And देखिए विभीषण, हाँ ना, आगे आयो. सबसे पहले विभीषण आगे गए. After all, it's his brother, right? पैर चरण निज नाम सुनायो कि मैं विभीषण हूं, मैं आपका भ्राता, आपका भाई. And he was lifted, and he told the entire thing that had happened. Right? Ki I tried, I told him what Narad had said, I told him about Sri Ram, but he kicked me. And when he kicked me, I went to Sri Ram, and you know how Sri Ram's temperament is. देखई दीन प्रभु के मन भायो. जो इंसान दीन होता है ना, very simple, very दीन, very innocent, उसको प्रभु कभी मना नहीं कर सकते. See, we have to understand, we are the best judge. While we are listening to it, superficially जरूर सुन लीजिए कि विभीषण दीन था, तो प्रभु ने उन्हें अपना लिया. सहज लंका का राज्य भी दे दिया, राइट? इतना सहज है प्रभु के लिए सब. पर प्रभु हमें अपनाए, उसके लिए हमें दीन होना पड़ेगा. एंड दीन की परिभाषा बहुत बड़ी है. दीन बनना बहुत मुश्किल है, सरल बनना बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि दीन और सरल व्यक्ति को पता ही नहीं होता है कि वो दीन और सरल है. दीन इज नॉट पुअर, है ना. दीन भिखारी नहीं. दीन इज अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ innocence and humility. It is like being ingrained by I do not know, it would be very different, right? Where there is no ego whatsoever, right? So देखे ही दीन प्रभु के मन भायु. जो दीन होता है ना, उसके प्रभु के मन भा जाता है. प्रभु ने मुझे अपना लिया, एंड ये सब मैंने करा है. अब मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूं, आप वहां पे खड़े हैं. अब मैं क्या करूं? क्या मैंने गलती की भैया? यही है ना, पूछेंगे ना कि मैंने ऐसे कर दिया. कहीं ना कहीं दुख तो है ही. So there are two beautiful ways, this may, in Ramcharitramanas, they are showing a very beautiful angle, a very different angle of the brothers' discussion. But when you go through other texts and all, or other things, you realize that the discussion can be taken in two directions. देखिए, हर चीज में there are always two paths, right? We always choose two paths, and then the outcomes are also different. So in one, the minute Kumbhakaran saw him, he was like, what? Kuch to sikha hota tune? You have gone to Ram, and have you seen how the brothers live together? Bharat, Lakshman, Shatrughan. No matter what Ramji would have done, they would not have left Ram. They would have stood by him. Haven't you seen how Lakshman, he has not eaten, not had anything to drink, he left everything. Haven't you seen Bharat? He is sitting there in Nandigram. वो तो जमीन पे भी नहीं सोते, गड्ढा खोद के नीचे सोते हैं. फिर ऐसे इंसान के पास गए, तुम्हारे को लज्जा नहीं आई? हाउ कुड यू डिजर्ट योर ओन ब्रदर? कहते हैं ना, विभीषण के लिए हमेशा कहा जाता है, घर का बेदू लंका ढाए. अभी विल सी ऑल द सीक्रेट्स ही विल रिवील. इफ दो सीक्रेट्स वर नॉट नोन, क्या राम जी जीत सकते थे? क्या राम जी जीत सकते थे? विभीषण तो निमित्त मात्र था, बट यस, ही प्लेड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल in revealing all the hidden secrets at the right time so that they could win. So Kumbhakaran was rebuking him. He said, ab kyun aaye ho mere paas mein? Ab jao. Now this is one angle of looking at it, right? Because this is one angle of looking at it from Kumbhakaran's perspective, Vibhishan's perspective, and a learning perspective also. The other angle is, which is covered in Ramcharitramanas, is Sunusut. He calls Vibhishan his son. And he says, I know, my dear son, you listen to me. Come, let me hug you. He's holding his brother. He is so happy to see him. Suno Sut. बच्चा ना, छोटा भाई तो एक बेटे की तरह ही होता है ना. And this is something we should never forget. Younger siblings are our first children. Unfortunately, I do not know कलयुग में क्या हो गया इंसान को कि हम अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा समझने लगे, हमें छोटा बनना नहीं आता. And as we get involved in our later formed families, we tend to forget our previous ones. But over here he is saying, Suno Sut. ये कुंभकर्ण है. मेरे बेटे सुन. Siblings, younger siblings are your first children, and older siblings are definitely like your parents. The minute we remember this, घर में क्लेश खत्म हो जाएगा. हम अपने आप को इतना बड़ा समझने लगते हैं, वो कौन होते हैं हमें बोलने वाले? हिम एंड मी हो जाते, दो फैमिलीज बन जाती हैं. पहले ऐसा नहीं हुआ करता था, यू नो. एंड रामचरितमानस, इफ नथिंग एट ऑल शुड बी टेकन अवे, इफ नथिंग एट ऑल कैन बी टेकन अवे, क्योंकि कई बार होता है व्हेन यू आर लिसनिंग यू टेंड टू फॉरगेट, एक दो पॉइंट साथ में रह जाएंगे, बाकी आप भूल जाओगे. तो और कुछ नहीं तो एटलीस्ट द ब्रदरली लव, द लव बिटवीन द सिबलिंग, द यूनिटी शुड बी टेकन. हम जब परिवार में ही एक होके नहीं रह सकते, तो फिर बाहर किससे एक होके रहना सीखेंगे? मतलब वी विल से सी एवरीथिंग, चैरिटी स्टार्ट्स एट होम. If we are not together, we do not know how to love and respect, we do not know how to become the smaller ones so that the relationships can be maintained. बाहर क्या कर लोगे आप? जो अपने घर में ही यूनिटी में नहीं रह सकता, वो बाहर क्या करेगा? So over here, and these are what, see, our scriptures are not only bhajan, kirtan, aarti, puja. Yes, बहुत अच्छा कर्म कांड है, पर ज्ञान कांड में unless and until we become a better me, we become a better person, we become more accepting. Tolerating तो चलो ठीक है, tolerate तो हर कोई कर लेता है. When we accept, when we see the oneness, जब तक हमें ये नहीं दिखेगा, no journey is going to go forward, no? Right? So, सुनो सुत, भयहु काल बस रावण. Now, Ravan has been, कहते हैं ना, again, we have been repeating this many times, विनाश काले विपरीत बुद्धि. वो काल has, overpowered. कई बार होता है ना, वी से कि उस समय मुझे समझ नहीं आया, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई मेड दिस डिसीजन, हाउ कुड आई इवन थिंक लाइक दिस. कालवश, डोंट ब्लेम योरसेल्फ, डोंट बीट योरसेल्फ. हो जाता है. इट वाज लाइक, इट वाज मेंट टू बी. मे बी द डायरेक्टर हैड स्क्रिप्टेड कि नहीं, आज तुम्हें ऐसे ही एक्ट करना है. But please, then people will say, then everybody is going to make a mistake. Please, please, please. This is a ग्रंथ जो जिज्ञासु और साधक एंड सीख रहे हैं अपने उद्धार के लिए. तो दैट इज अ अंडरलाइंग नोशन कि वो बुरा तो नहीं करेंगे, राइट? वी आर अज्यूमिंग कि whoever is listening to the scripture has a desire to become better and reach moksha or reach devotion or reach God. So they would not be using these scriptures words कि हाँ ठीक है, you murder someone and say कि हो गया. ऐसे नहीं. That's an extreme thought. We are assuming that everybody is good, right? When we are talking about these things. बिकॉज कई बार डिबेट में आ जाता है तो फिर तो कुछ भी करो। अरे कुछ भी कैसे करो? मनुष्य को तो मनुष्य जैसा ही होना चाहिए ना, दैट इज द प्रेमाइस। मनोर्भव, मनुष्य तो मनुष्य बन जा। वी आर अज्यूमिंग कि ह्यूमन इज गुड, there are good tendencies, the ability to good is there, the desire to do good is there, that is our foundation, right? So हम ये क्यों सोचे कि ये बोलेंगे तो गलत काम करेगा? गलत नहीं करेगा, right? That is not the premise. So what he says, सुनो सुत भयऊ काल बस रावण, हो गया उस, मतलब वो he is so, it is like, you know, कई बार हम भी तो होते हैं ना, it is like he's in a trance, अब उसको कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है, आप कुछ भी बोलो, सो की मान अब परम सिखावन, वो क्या तुम्हारे सिखाने से सीखेगा? कई बार होता है ना, when you're talking to somebody also you realize as if you're talking to a blank wall, no amount of counsel is going in, तब यही सोच जाना चाहिए कि ये कालवश हो गया, अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते, है ना, there is no point, छोड़ दो। तो इसे उसको कुछ नहीं होगा, his mind is working in a very, मतलब it has been hijacked, कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा उसको। But he applauds Vibhishan. He says, धन्य धन्य ते धन्य विभीषण, 3 बार, धन्य धन्य ते धन्य विभीषण, भय उतात निश्चर कुलभूषण। तुम तो निश्चरों के, राक्षसों के कुलभूषण हो। You are going to elevate and you are going to liberate and you are going to bring glory to the name of the Rakshas. कैसे? बंधु वंश ते कीन्ह उजागर, तुम पूरे वंश को उजागर कर दोगे। कैसे? भजे राम शोभा सुख सागर, क्योंकि तुमने सब कुछ छोड़ के प्रभु के भजन को, प्रभु के नाम को, प्रभु के काम को अपना लिया है, प्रभु के चरणों में समर्पण है। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पूरा हमारा जो कुल है ना, वो उजागर हो जाएगा। इट इज गोइंग टू शाइन ब्राइट एंड इट इज ऑलवेज सेड इन आवर स्क्रिप्चर्स, वन सेंट, वन ट्रू डिवोटी कैन लिबरेट 21 generations before and 21 generations ahead. एक साधु अगर उस परिवार में निकल जाए तो, एक संत, एक दीन मनुष्य, एक सरल मनुष्य, this is the power of that one, and that is you, Vibhishan. So don't worry. And he says, now listen, tum to, the beauty is in thought, word and deed, you should just worship the Lord without any kapat. चंटता, क्लेवरनेस, कहते हैं ना, मोहे छल कपट छिद्र न भावे। प्रभु बोलते हैं ना, ये छल कपट, बिटरनेस, कनिंगनेस, हिपोक्रेसी, ये सब मुझे नहीं पसंद आती है। एंड उनसे ये सब छुपती नहीं है। वी कैन हाइड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम एवरीबडी एंड पोर्ट्रे अ सर्टन मी, बट फ्रॉम द लॉर्ड कैसे छुपाओगे? उनको तो सब दिखता है ना। वो बिना आंखों के देखता है, वो बिना कानों के सुनता है, वो बिना पैर के चलता है, वो बिना हाथ के पकड़ लेता है। ही इज, वो बिना मुंह के बोलता है, उससे कैसे छुपाओगे? सो ओवर हियर इज सेइंग, वचन कर्म मन कपट तजी। नाउ ही इज टेलिंग द younger brother कि listen, I am here, you don't worry about me, you don't worry about Ravan, but you listen to me now. वचन कर्म कपट तजी भजे राम रणधीर। वचन कर्म और मन। See, sometimes we say, now, the thought came to my mind, but I did not act on it. The thought was negative, but my action was positive. I withheld my negative thought. I wanted to shout, but I didn't. Right? It came to my mind, but I was quiet. But the alignment of these three has to be there. He says, vachana karma man kapat taji. तीनों में absent होना चाहिए kapat. Right? And then how should you? You just be there and serve the Lord. Right? And then he says, now you go. Bas ho gaya. He's intoxicated. He's passionate about the war. You know, now he cannot be drawn because he has chosen a path that he has to walk on. That is his role in this entire yudh, entire battle. He said, tum hato ab. Pata chala main tumhe hi kha jaunga. Now go away and don't come in front of me. And with this thought, with this counsel, he just went rampant. He was like, just imagine an Everest se bhi bada parvat चल रहा है. He was a killing machine, eating and killing and stomping and yelling. The Vanars, they got so scared. उनको कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था हम क्या करें. इधर तोड़ रहा है, इधर the monkeys. And at that time, Hanuman ji, he came running and एक मुष्टि प्रहार किया. And एक बार, for once, after all, it was Hanuman. This magnificent and this totally humongous Kumbhakaran also stepped back. He almost fell down. For a moment, uska, the mind stopped working. When the blow is so hard, he just did not, he forgot what he was up to, where he was, what happened. And then he suddenly recollected his entire strength and he gave another mushti prahar to Hanumanji. And this time Hanumanji jaake jod se gire. Ekdam, in a corner. My God. And then again, Kumbhakaran is running, he's walking, he's eating. Kuch samajh nahi aa raha hai. And over here, Shiv Ji, see, the entire scriptures, most of our scriptures are a narration by Shiv Ji to Ma Parvati, right? And Ramcharitramanas mein, the narration is from Shiv Ji to Parvati Ji and Kak Basundi Ji to Garud also. So this narration is happening throughout. So Shiv Ji suddenly says, see, listen, ये सब जो हो रहा है ना उसमें आप डरो मत. बिकॉज माँ पार्वती सेड कि अब ये आ गया है, ही इज सो फियर्स, हनुमान तक गिर गए, फिर क्या होगा. कभी कभी हमारे मन में भी आता है ना, वी सडनली स्टार्ट डाउटिंग द पावर ऑफ द लॉर्ड इन द फेस ऑफ एडवर्स सिचुएशंस. है ना, होता है ना कि अरे अब तो ये हो गया, अब क्या होगा. तो तब है ना शिव जी आ जाते हैं बीच में. एंड ही सेज, उमा करत रघुपति नर लीला. Don't worry, the Lord is in control. He says, the Lord of Raghu is playing a part of human being in the same way as Garud. Now Garud, right, would sport in the company of snakes. So he's saying, ki Uma, Raghupati is just playing a role, right? Just like Garud, if he comes, can the snakes ever devour Garud? Garud to ऐसे ही खा के सबको खत्म कर देगा. But this is a play. He's playing this role. He's letting Kumbhakaran have his way right now. And can you imagine कि when Sri Ram is there, the creator is there, जिनकी भ्रुकुटी से, just by the movement of his eyebrows, lots of galaxies can be created and destroyed. Just when he knits his eyebrows and all this, death himself gets scared when he does that, right? Do you think he can be devoured like this? But the entire thing is to show the humans the path. And once people see and once people understand the glory, this mere story, this mere play, this mere role will take them across the ocean of mundane existence. What is he saying? Uma, the Lord of Raghu, played the part of human beings in the same way as Garud would sport in the company of snakes. Otherwise, how could he, who devours death himself with the mere knitting of his brows, engage with any grace in such conflict as this? He will thereby spread his fame, which will not only sanctify the whole world, but will undoubtedly take across the ocean of mundane existence the people who sing it. It is for the benefit of the people who are listening to it that the Lord is engaging in all this, and the battle goes forward. उस समय सुग्रीव हाथ में आ जाता है. Sugriv is there. Sugriv is, hit and he becomes unconscious. So now this Kumbhakaran is like a walking, talking, eating machine. He's eating and devouring the monkeys, the Vanars. I shouldn't say the monkeys because many people say these were the people who lived in the jungle. So Vanars, we'll use the word Vanars. Vanars are running away. Sugriv tries, but then again he becomes unconscious. And he is being held by Kumbhakaran, and Kumbhakaran thinks कि वो मर गए हैं. However, he's still alive because it's Sugriv. You cannot destroy him so easily. Slowly he removes and he sets himself free from the clutches of Kumbhakaran, goes up and he cuts his nose and the ears. Both the nose and ears are gone and he is looking even more hideous. It is like lava is flowing through a mountain, and still he gets even more angry. And with this, he becomes even more violent. The description over here is that he is eating Everybody and whoever can escape are escaping through his nose and their ears. Itna, the monster, and they're getting, there is like mayhem everywhere. कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि we can't even imagine क्या हो रहा होगा in that battlefield at that time. When the situation is so dire, Shri Ram says, Suno Sugriv Vibhishan, Anuj संभारेउ सेना. विभीषण, सुग्रीव और मेरे अनुज लक्ष्मण, है ना, आप लोग सेना को संभालो, मैं आता हूं, है ना. मैं देखूं खलबल दलही, बोले राजीव नैन, है ना, सेन. तो आप संभालो सेन, और राजीव नैन क्या बोलते हैं कि आई विल गो एंड सी हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग दिस डीमन इज. एंड ही टेक्स द फोरफ्रंट, एंड वो आगे पहुंच जाते हैं. Now, this point comes only when a sadhak knows how to hold on. आप सोचिए ना, in this situation, if you just replicate it in your life, if this situation, this kind of a rampant tragedies are happening in your life, the first thing that will get shaken is your faith in God. तो अगर हमारी फेथ ही शेक हो गई तो भगवान को मौका ही नहीं मिला ना दिखाने का. बट लाइक द्रौपदी एंड सो मेनी अदर पीपल हु इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल द ट्रेजेडीज होल्ड ऑन, प्रभु आएंगे, राइट. ही विल कम एंड टेक चार्ज. ही इज देयर. इट इज जस्ट अ टेस्ट. इट विल पास द टेस्ट ऑफ योर कॉन्फिडेंस इन हिम. एंड द लॉर्ड केम, एंड अब आ गए, एंड विथ हिज सारंग he twanged the bow, and it was so the noise of sarang was deafening, and Kumbhakaran just could not take it. He realized कि अब तो प्रभु आ गए, and he rushed. He left everybody and he rushed towards the Lord. And it is like, just imagine, he just wants to have a darshan of the Lord, but at the same time he's rushing towards him to kill him. मारने के लिए भाग रहे हैं प्रभु के पास में. तो with a stone, like with a mountain in his hand, he's about to throw it. One arm gone, then the second arm gone. Arms are gone. Ear and nose is gone. Blood is flowing. Like it is like, major rivers of blood. Yet he does not stop. He keeps running towards the Lord with his mouth open. कि अब तो मैं मुंह से खा जाऊंगा राम को. And then he shoots a lot of arrows. It goes into the mouth. Various arrows destroy the demons. However, he does not stop. It is like an arrow is running towards the Lord. And that time he cuts off the head, and the head goes right at the feet of Ravan. Ravan is taken aback. Arey, Kumbhakaran nahi rahe. Now the body is still running towards the Lord. With that momentum of Kumbhakaran, without the arms, without the head, he's still running towards the Lord. Blood flowing throughout at that time because he's so big. The Lord shoots another arrow and the body falls apart. In two pieces it falls, and कहते हैं कि जब वो गिरे तो भी a lot of Vanars and Danavs were taken away with him. But the magic is yet to happen. देखिए, with the intensity, with the devotion with which he ran towards the Lord, unstoppable. मतलब कितना भी कुछ हो गया, his focus was Ram, he just kept running. It is said that a light came out of him, and it went through the Lord's mouth and became one with the Lord. Kumbhakaran became one with Sri Ram. It is like beautiful light. And everybody was wondering, how is it possible? Itni beautiful light. He says, Tasu tej prabhu badana samana. That tej to tha na. Tej is something, how do I explain tej? There are certain people, it does not depend on the complexion or the color or anything, right? It is independent of all this superficial thing. पर आप जैसे उनको दिखोगे ना, आप बोलोगे there is a तेज in him. एक तेज है, उनके चेहरे पे एक तेज है. कुंभकर्ण में वो तेज था, right? That glow of purity was there in Kumbhakarna. He chose to fight for Ravan. He chose to not let go of his brother. He chose to be there. The action was being done, but he was not a part of that action. That glory, that glow, that tej, which was intact, वो प्रभु में समा गया. It became one with the Lord. And सारे सुर, मुनि, देव देखते रह गए कि ये क्या हो गया. इतना बड़ा दानव, राक्षस, वो प्रभु में समा गया. ये गति तो योगियों को, गुरुओं को, भगवान, देवों को ही नहीं मिलती है. ये कुंभकर्ण को मिल गई. There was silence. No words could describe this moment. And then what happened was, the Lord of Raghu, the king of Koshala, who was matchless in strength, and a Prabhu kaise kade hai? Now Kumbhakarna is gone. Tej sama gaya, and now the Lord is standing there. Try to visualize the Lord standing there in the battlefield. Amazing. He must be so mesmerizing to look at. The Lord of Raghu, the king of Koshala, was matchless in strength, shone on the field of battle in the midst of bears and monkeys. With drops of perspiration on his face, his lotus eyes turned red, his person specked with particles of blood, both his hands busy playing with his bow and arrow. Even Shesh, says Tulsidas, could not describe the Lord's beauty despite his numerous tongues. Just imagine. इसी के लिए कहते हैं ना, जब प्रभु राम हमारे साथ हैं तो किस बात की चिंता, है ना? जब प्रभु राम हमारे साथ हैं तो किस बात की चिंता. Beautiful. With this beautiful vision of the Lord, always there, always protecting us, with his faith in our heart, we will close the session today. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman.